Oh.
Mushroom.
This is vanilla. You can share. I'm not sure.
Okay, tapos. Are you ready? Let's go. Going for bag claims. We are now Hawaii Airport. Okay, we're here. We're here in the Philippines. Okay, claiming ang baggage. You got it all?
We only had 3.
Yeah, only 3. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the taxi. Taxi's over there. We have to cross. Okay, let's go. Puro Lucano.
The driver is
Good.
Ilocano, Pangasinan.
Asinggan
From
ko
San
siya sa
Carlos.
Bella. Pangasinan, Ilocano.
Tabako.
Honolulu.
Philippines.
We're
I
here.
I know one phrase.
Finally, we're here.
Can go there.
That's a different Honolulu.
The art museum.
Oh, I gotta help her.
Oh, look at that.
What? 38 lang yun eh. So, I will pay. Okay.
How much is ours? Wait, where are we going? Filipino?
Filipino sa amin eh. Eh, Ilocano pa. Okay, let's go. We're here. We're finally here. All right. Okay, let's go. Welcome to Wyndham. All right, let's go. Let's. Aloha. We're checking in. Checking in.
Attach a key card to the sensor in the elevator in class 10.
Okay.
Checkout is on July 31st at 10 o'clock.
Oh, actually, we are leaving on Saturday evening.
before,
Yeah.
No problem.
That's why I put in Saturday because I really don't want to. I mean, Sunday because we don't want to be leaving early on Saturday, right?
Yeah,
Because our flight is in the evening, so that's why I book until Sunday.
And then,
Okay.
My name is Dennis. If you have any questions, give me a call.
All right. Thanks, Dennis. Dito pa ako kasi balon. Gamit natin bukas. Okay, come on. Ito yun na. Pag-check-in na rin eh. Okay, sit down here, mother. Sit down by the front. Okay, let's go. 10th floor, 10th floor. Alright. We're here. Ayun na. Gusto ni mother.
Where am I looking?
Get it.
All right, welcome to Wyndham. Look at that. Turn on the light. Hold on. Ah, This is presidential suite.
My couch or what? My couch or what?
There's only 2 rooms. This is the king. Maybe this is the king. And there for them. That's a king one there. That's a master there.
First me, just me.
It's only 2 rooms.
Oh, what?
You can stay in the thing. Me and Papa the couch or
There wasn't there. There wasn't. If it's 2 rooms and what's in here? Oh, that's a bathroom.
it's a bathroom. This is a presidential.
What?
They don't have a 3 bedrooms available.
Then how are we gonna sleep?
Don't tell me I'll sleep in one bed. Just me. No, Josh.
Two.
Sit in the couch with me.
Okay. Ano pang? Okay ba? Hindi ka pagod? Okay. Nice room. Alright. Okay. And that's a bathroom.